everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 𝘿𝙬𝙔𝙎. I am making this video because I have received a lot of enquiries about my 10-day CPC workshop and I wanted to give you all the details in one place. I have launched a 10 days intensive workshop focused on the CPC Certified Professional Coder exam. And I noticed that many students have a lot of confusions and questions about what the workshop includes. To clarify, this workshop is designed to thoroughly prepare you for the CPC exam with a structured and supportive approach. We are providing a variety of resources such as mock tests, practice questions, and homework assignments to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Additionally, if you have any doubts or need clarity in specific areas of the syllabus, we have included detailed discussion and in-depth explanation to ensure all your concepts are clear. Whether you are just starting your CPC journey or looking to refine your skills, this workshop is a great opportunity to prepare effectively with expert guidance. The fee structure is very affordable. It's just a 3-digit amount, making it accessible for everyone. Classes are scheduled based on your convenience, so even if you are working or studying, we can arrange the sessions after your work hours to fit your schedules. So far, we have successfully started 4 batches and the response has been amazing. If you are serious about cracking the CPC exam with confidence, this workshop could be the perfect fit for you guys. For more details, feel free to contact me through my email 𝘿𝙬𝙔𝙎10@gmail.com or WhatsApp me. I will provide the number 9037038006. Once again, thank you all for your continuous support. Thanks for watching.